Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Absolutely fantastic new arrival for you today. And this is a Nissan Elgrand. So this is a Japanese import and it was first registered in 2011 but registered in the UK in November 2018. It's recently MOT'd in July 23 with no advisories, and it had a major service in July 2022. Now this is a 3.5 V6 automatic and it's an 8-seater. It's finished in a beautiful white metallic paintwork and it's complemented with a half leather interior. Now a little bit about the car. It's 18-inch alloy wheels. We've got a reverse parking camera. We've got privacy glass around the back there, but it's also got the built-in sun blinds, keyless entry, keyless start, power folding mirrors, digital climate control, automatic lights, and even a rear DVD player. So what I'll probably do now, if I may, is I'll show you around. Electric sliding doors. So in your centre row, they do slide forward into your rear seats, and they do fold down flat, so you have a boot as well. So there's your sun blinds. This one folds up into a third seat there as well. Right, let's have a little look inside as well. So inside the front, it's a half leather interior. Do have this DVD player thing that pops down. Automatic. Just a beautiful car. Loads of space. I mean, ideal for a family, whether you could convert something like this into a camper van. You know, this is all the rage at the moment. I just want to say it's just absolutely fantastic to show you around it. If you have any questions at all on the car, please do give the award-winning sales team in Leeds a call. We're on hand to answer any questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching.